Okay, hi guys. Right, so now we're going to start creating the profiles. But just before we do that, I want to just adjust this top profile, and I want to make sure that it crosses the profile of the side before it. Sorry, it doesn't cross the profile, as you can see at the moment it does, because that wouldn't give us a side profile to create our 4 points. So I'm going to turn this one off. I'm going to turn the origin off. Select. I'm going to go to the front because I want to do it from here. I'm going to just do 1 degree. And then I'm going to select the whole thing. So I want to move this nose point as close as I can. It doesn't have to be perfect, to be honest, but I want it as close as I can. And move that up. That'll do. It's not perfect, but it's just to get it as closely aligned as we can. At the end of the day, these are just kind of construction lines. Oops. Does that? Let me just turn the canvases on. Okay, just moving them out beyond where the end of the fuselage is going to end, which is on plane 10, which is here. So both of those now don't cross each other and they extend beyond it, which is good. Right. Now, I've created 10 planes, but to be honest, I'm probably not going to use them all, because once I get over the sort of hump of the canopy here, from here to here, in fact, I only need one around about here and then one at the end, because it's pretty much straight. Actually, sorry, that's not correct, because there's a bend down here. So around about there, which is probably going to be, so I'll have to use this one, or actually maybe the middle. No, okay, so this one then to the end. So we're not going to use 7, we're not going to use 8, and we're not going to use 9. Okay. So now we have got that done, we can start adding the profiles. So we click on plane 1, okay, and we're going to go to create a sketch. And just turn it back around like this. I'm going to now turn off the canvases because I don't need them. And the next thing we'll do is go to create, go down to project, include, intersect. Right, so now what we're going to find is, sorry, let's do this. We're not going to do that. We're just going to create a circle because this is the nose. I'm just getting ahead of myself there. So I'm just going to create a 5 mil nose point. So now we're going to go finish that sketch, go to sketch, create a sketch on the second plane, same thing. Create, project, include, intersect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create the intersect point. So you have to click on the little red nodules, which is where it crosses the plane. Okay, and then what we're going to do is use the spline, and we're going to start at the top, go to the side, and then the bottom, and then hit return, and that will give us a profile. Okay, it's not right, but it's fine for the time being. So finish sketch. We're going to do the same. So I'm just going to repeat this multiple times on each plane. Again, intersect. That allows us to get the points where the profiles that we've created across the plane that we want to sketch on. Nope, that's not right. I hit the wrong one. So there. Return. We turn those off. Finish sketch. Select plane 4, sketch, create, project, include, intersect. Rotate it around again. So we've got one there. there, one there. Sometimes hard to see. But it's basically where that red and green line, that's the plane. So it's wherever these blue profiles cross it. Okay, so go back to spline, select this one. So I'm only selecting the side because later on we're actually gonna mirror it. So we don't need to worry about the second side. Create, sorry, sketch. Drop down for create, project, include, intersect. One there, one there, one there, one there. Oh, no, that's not right. You know it's hit the intersect one where you get a box with a circle in the center, basically a blue box. So now plane 6. To create, project, include, intersect, top, side, bottom, other side, fit point spline, one side, done. And now we're going to go to the end one. The good thing about using it is, you know, using as little profiles as possible, as it makes it a lot smoother. The more profiles you use, the more it looks like a washing board, as I found out. Okay, so actually now I'm going to just turn off my construction lines. We don't need them. I'm going to turn off the 2 profiles, and now we got our side profiles. Now that doesn't look like the fuselage we want in the end, but it's something to start with. So I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to do another one, which we can manipulate these profiles to make it look a little bit more like a fuselage, and then we're going to mirror them and then loft them so we get something similar to a fuselage. Okay, stop back in a second.